Hello, friends! Are you ready for a fun adventure? Look! Our animal friends are ready with their little backpacks. Let's go on an adventure together. Look at the baby lion. The baby lion is walking happily. Oh! What is flying there? A colorful butterfly. Jump! Jump! Catch it! The baby lion sees a hill. Up we go! Step by step. The baby lion is brave. You are brave too. Yay! The baby lion reached the top. Great job! Now look! Here is the elephant. So refreshing. Careful. Well done! Look at the flowers. The elephant sprays water. Flowers are happy. Kind elephant. Now comes the tortoise. The tortoise walks slowly. Step, step. Slow is okay. Keep going. Here comes the monkey. Climb, climb. Up the tree. So fast. Monkey is tired. Time for banana. Yum yum yum. Happy monkey. What a fun adventure. Did you like it? Clap your hands. Come back again for more fun adventures. Subscribe to Kadora. Bye bye, friends.